Good morning, little nugget. I'm so proud of you for getting on here. If you're at home, just know you are not. You are one of many. And we're really proud of you for getting on here because we are moving into a weird unit and it would be very handy for you to get exposure as you feel well enough, of course. So if you feel good enough to tackle this, it would be fantastic. And what you're looking at over here is an example of some of the things you're going to see in today's activities. So basically what we're learning to do, last week we really focused on functions, finding patterns in an input-output table. And now this week we're going to really focus on taking those patterns and turning them into ordered pairs and graphing them on a coordinate plane. So you're going to see a lot of work that looks kind of like this one that you're seeing. Notice that at the top of the page I've got a function, y equals 2x plus 2. So the table, they've given me all those x values. I need to substitute them in so that I can get a corresponding y value. So my first x value is 1. I am going to substitute it. That's the fancy way of saying we're going to plug it in. I've got two groups of 1 plus 2 more. That's going to give me 2 plus 2 or 4. So when 1 comes in, 4 comes out. I'm going to do the same thing with that next value. My next value is 2. I'm going to plug it in. Two groups of 2 would be 4. There's an implied multiplication there. And 2 more would give me 6. So when 2 comes in, 6 comes out. And I would do that same procedure for my last two values. I just did it. And I'm going to get 3 comes in, 8 comes out, 4 comes in, 10 comes out. And now for step 2, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take those values that I've generated and I'm going to turn them into ordered pairs. So first 1 over 1, up 4, over 2, up 6, over 3, up 8, over 4, up 10. And now for step 3, I'm going to graph those ordered pairs and label them. So I'm going to go over 1, up 4, over 2, up 6, over 3, up 8, and over 4, up 10. Notice in this video, I actually forgot to label them. Oops. It's okay. It's going to be okay. And then you'll see that in the graphs that we're going to give you today, since they're really basic functions, they're going to form a straight line if you've graphed them right. So again, step 1, you're going to plug in those values and complete a function table. Step 2, you're going to turn the table into some ordered pairs so that you can finish step 3, which would be to graph them. And if you graph them properly, you're going to see that they're going to turn into a straight line today. So that's the way the cookie crumbles. We would really appreciate you kind of getting a look at this if you feel well enough, because it is weird. And we're going to move through it kind of fast this week. So we miss your face. See you soon.